Hello, welcome to my channel. This is Tano Hair and Craft. Today I'm going to be teaching on how to make your own French curls. As you can see on the screen, I have the braiding hair cut into two equal half. After doing that, what I need to do next is to file the strand or rearrange the strands to give me that sharp ends, sharp finishing. Yeah. After that, I brush to detangle it so it will be easy for me to use. After brushing it, what I do next is to immerse it inside hot water to have that straight silky look. So what I do, I put the hot water inside a bowl, add conditioner, mix it as you can see on the screen. After mixing it, after mixing it, I'll now drop it inside the hot water. This is to straighten it to give it that smooth, relaxed look. Just dip it gently step by step until everything is inside. You can see I'm holding the braiding hair from the edge where the elastic, the rubber band elastic is. I'm holding the elastic so I don't have to touch the hot water. So that elastic serves as a kind of protective device, kind of to protect my hands from entering the hot water. Yeah, that's the result of it. So what I do next is to allow it to dry. After drying it, I brush it out very well. After brushing it out very well, I now section it, divide it into little pieces and roll under my rolling stick. Make sure you brush very well so you have a smooth result. If it's well brushed, it will roll well and it will have that smooth look when you are done. How I got my rolling pipe, I went to the electrical shop and bought this pipe they use in to connect to hide your electric wire in the house. So I just cut them into, it used to be, it's very long, so I cut them into little sizes. That's how I got my rolling pipe. When rolling, make sure you are rolling it flat and make sure it's tight and firm so the curls will hold and will really come out fine. After rolling, you can now put your elastic band just to safeguard it, to prevent it from loosening, especially when you are adding the hot water. So we have done the first side, so we are going to the other side and continue to roll the same way and flat too. Safeguard same way too, like the other side. So this is how it looks like. If you like, you can trim now so that you have a good smooth result. So after that is done, this is the second step. The second time we'll be using hot water. But in this time around, we are not just adding the conditioner, we are also adding wave-on oil to give us that shine. As you can see, I'm mixing the conditioner very well and now add the wave-on oil to the hot water. After that is done, you now pour the hot water over the pipe. Make sure it gets over every part of it to give you a good result. When that is done, you dry it up. After drying it, you now remove the attachment from the pipe. So you don't mix things up. I hope you enjoyed this class. Please do not forget to subscribe, like and share this video. Thank you so much for stopping by. Goodbye.